Hey everyone, there were a lot of questions about national pension system and hence this video. National pension system is a wonderful investment option, especially for those people who are in the 30 plus percentage tax bracket. One key feature of the product is that the investor is allowed to choose how much to invest in different categories within NPS. There are four categories in national pension system. The first one is equity. This category invests in top 50 companies of the country. G, government bonds. C, corporate bonds. And A, alternate assets like real estate trusts, etc. The returns in each category is vastly different and can range from minus 15 to plus 20 in equity, minus 3 to plus 15 in government bonds, minus 3 to plus 12 in corporate bonds, minus 10 to minus 15 in alternate assets. NPS allows the option of choosing how much to be invested in each of these above categories. For equity, corporate bonds, and for government bonds, the maximum allowed is 75% and the minimum is 10%. For alternate assets, the maximum allowed is 5% and there is no minimum ceiling. So one can consider alternate assets at 5%, corporate bonds at 10%, and the balance 85% being allocated between equity and government bonds depending on the economic situation. When the interest rates are high, government bonds yielding 7.5% above, and stock market is also high, the G allocation can be kept at 75%. This will ensure that you profit from the stock market and shift to safe high yield investments. When the stock market falls and the interest rate also falls, 75% can be shifted to equity. So by changing the allocation between E and G category depending on the interest rates, one can not only protect capital in NPS but also expect to double the corpus at retirement. Happy to answer more questions. Write to us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for this one.